Leakage in dental restoration. Let's test it with a microleakage experiment. Nanofil vs other product. Equal to synchronous injection. Fair test now. Inject the red test liquid. Look. Nanofil resin tube locks the liquid on top. The comparison tube. Liquid sips down clearly. Test result don't lie. Nanofil resin blocks microleakage far better than others. For clinical restoration, choosing the right resin means choosing peace of mind. Nanofil proven microleakage protection, preferred by dentists. Contact us to find professional solutions.